Hello everyone, if you're trying to update or install Fortnite and you keep getting this error, IS-0009, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have Epic Games Launcher closed up. So just come here, close Epic Games Launcher from your computer, open your task manager, search for Epic Games here and check if it is running here. And as you can see, I don't have Epic Games running here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. You're going to go into local, and here you need to find the folder called Epic Games Launcher. So just click on any folder, press E on your keyboard. Here it is, Epic Games Launcher. You're going to open it up, you're going to go into saved, and then you'll have this folder called web cache. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. Also delete it from the recycle bin. And once you're done with that, now you're going to open up Epic Games Launcher. And when you try to update or install Fortnite now, you'll see that it will install correctly. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.